Hello there! In this video I will show you and guide you how you can create your mobile application for WooCommerce in just few minutes without having any rich technical knowledge. In order to make your mobile application, you need to purchase a code. To purchase the code, click on the link given in the description of this video by the name of Flutter Multi-Vendor Mobile Application for WooCommerce. This link will redirect you to a new page. From there, you can purchase the plugin named Flutter Multi-Vendor Mobile Application for WooCommerce. Here, click on Buy Now. In order to check out and purchase the selected item, you have to create an account, or if you are an existing user, simply sign in. But if you are a new user, just follow these steps. Now here, fill up your personal details like your first name, last name, your email ID. And in the bottom, you can see the payment method. Now here you can choose any of the payment method in order to complete the purchase. Choose your payment option, fill up the payment details and complete your payment. Now as the payment has been completed successfully, come back to your CodeCanyon account. Here you must be logged in. Now on the top right side, go to your account and then click on Downloads. Here you can see your purchased item, Flutter Multi-Vendor Mobile Application for WooCommerce. Here, click on Download, then download all file and documentations and license, certificate and purchase code. Please note, keep both the downloads in a well-arranged folder so that it can be used in future. Now, after the download, extract the downloaded RAR file named CodeCanyon Flutter Multi-Vendor Mobile App for WooCommerce. Next, log into your WordPress admin account of your e-commerce website. Log in with your account and password. Now, this is the WordPress admin panel. Here, on the left side of the page, you can see different options. Click on the plugin and then click on Add New. And at the top, click on Upload Plugin. Now, browse for your folder where you have extracted the plugin. Now here, come back to the downloaded and extracted folder and choose the file to upload named mstore flutter mobile app.zip and then click open and click install now. After that, click on activate. Now open this link mstoreapp.com/flutter. You will get the link also in the description of this video. Now here on this space, you have to enter your site URL. My site URL is https://mstoreapp.com and you have to enter your site URL. For the purchase code, go back to your extracted folder, open the text file and below you will find the purchase code. Copy the purchase code and paste it here. Now click on continue. Now here, write your desired app name. Here, enter your project name. My project name is Grocery App. So I will enter Grocery App and similarly you have to enter your project name or app name. Now here to proceed, you will need consumer key and consumer secret and Google Map API as well. For consumer key and consumer secret, go back to your WordPress admin panel. On the left side, click on WooCommerce, then click on Settings. And in the middle of the page, go to Advanced. Then here, click on REST API. Then click on Add Key. Here in the description, for instance, I'm writing for Grocery App. Choose the permission, read write. And then click on Generate API Key. Now here you will get consumer key and the consumer secret. Copy consumer key. Paste it here. And again, Copy the consumer secret and paste it here. To generate Google Map API, go to console.cloud.google.com. Again, you will get the link in the description of this video. Now, click on Select a project. Here in this page, give a project name. Example, the grocery store. Then click on Create. Now, as the project has been created, click on Select Project. After that, on the left side, go to API and Services and click on Library. Now, click View all 17. And from here, open this API on New tab. The first is Geolocation API. The second is Map SDK for Android. The third is Map SDK for iOS. And the fourth is Places API. Now, go to each tab and enable each API we just opened. Now come back to Google Cloud Platform. And go to API and Services and then Credentials. Now here on the top, click Create Credentials and click API Key. Now copy the API key from here and paste it here. Now below that, you can see 4 options. The first is Upload App Logo, second is Upload App Icon, and the third is Upload App Splash, and the fourth is Upload Google Service File. I will come back on how you can create and upload your logo. But first come to how you can upload Google Service File. In order to generate Google Service File, click on Go to Firebase and follow the steps. Here in the firebase.google.com, click on Get Started. And now click on Create a Project. Here write your project name. In instance, it is Grocery Store. Click Continue. Again, click Continue. Now click on Create Project. This will take few seconds up to a minute. Click on Continue. Now here this page will appear automatically. And on this page, click on the Android. Now here this page will appear automatically. Now again, come back to the mStore Flutter page and copy this and paste it in the Firebase page over here. App nickname, Grocery Store. Click Register App. And here you can download Google Service.json. Now click on Next. Scroll down, again Next. Click on Continue to Console. Now come back to mStore app page and upload the JSON file. Now to create a free logo, go to www.canva.com. Once again, you will find the link in the description of this video. Now, this is the interface of Canva. Here on the right side, click on logo. Now in this page, at the middle, you can see the canvas. And on the left side, you can see the various templates for different type of company logos. Here on the search box, search for store. Now from the result, you can pick one design. Now you can edit the template by changing the colors, and resizing the logo. Changing the text. And then on the right side, click on download, choose PNG, and then save the logo on the same folder. Now you can see our logo is downloaded and ready to use. Now here, in upload app logo, upload the logo we just have created. Now in upload app icon, you see below there is a size mentioned which is 1024 pixel by 1024 pixel. Now to convert your logo, go to www.resizepixel.com. Now here, upload your image. Now on this page, on the left side, input the size dimension you need, which is 1024 pixel by 1024 pixel. Click on resize. Now on the right side bottom, click on go to download. Again, click download image. And now save your logo. Now come back here, upload your app icon. Now in upload the app splash, upload the same logo. Now, as the logo, icon and splash screen has been uploaded, it's the time to build and download the application. If you are planning to upload this app to Google Play Store, simply choose App Bundle. But I am not going to upload it on Google Play Store. That's why I am creating APK file. Click on Save, then click on Build. This will take a while. And now click on Download. Now open the downloaded file and then extract it. So this is our mobile application file. Now to test and run this application, you have to transfer it to your mobile and then install it. Now as the file has been transferred, I am going to install it. After the installation, open the application. So you can see this is our app. And this is the interface. And I can say the look and the feel of the app is very aesthetic. And the app is very beautifully built. So these are the steps from where anyone can create their mobile application for their business. I hope this video has been beneficial to you. And I think after watching this video you are able to create an mobile application. Thank you very much for watching this video completely.